Hey guys, it's me, Voltage Wolf, and it's almost nighttime, and you know what that means. My inner werewolf is kicking in. Yes. So basically what happened, and if you want to go along with this video, this is also a tutorial on how to become one, then here you are, the story first. Alright, so I walked into this, tavern, and I bought myself a drink, or a couple of them. They were only, $5 in the US, but in Europe they were way cheaper. But in the East, it was way more expensive. So I bought them, got back home. It looked like normal water. I drank it, it tasted like normal water, but something happened. I started developing, instead of having 5 fingers, I now have 4, and I start developing fur, and I begin to gain this sort of canine look. And it's a very slow process. I mean, it's not just an immediate kick in immediately. And I still have some of the drink left. And the reason why I don't have an undershirt, it's because you know, my body during this phase, when it's almost night, it expands and it can rip the undershirt. I mean, yes, I could just go for form-fitting, but I just like one single size. Alright, so if you want to become a werewolf, if that's your goal, then follow these vital steps. Go to any tavern. I went to Castaways. I went to Castaways, and I got myself what looked like normal water, just standard mineral water, and it had the Werewolf brand, and they were very cheap. Got them. Came back home. So yeah. Buy the drinks that look like water with the Werewolf brand, then head back home because I know the people out on the street do not want to see it. Alright, so I got the drink here. It's in a cup. Video not sponsored by Cane's. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like normal water. I can't really tilt it in because it acts like water, it looks like water, but it's not. It's a dangerously deceptive drink. Alright, so on the count of 3, 1, or I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3. Alright, 2 sips should just be enough. It can be any cup size, not like you know what I mean, this cup. Yeah, 2 sips are just enough. And just wait a couple of hours, or maybe it could last for a while, but it can really kick in when it begins to get dark. So yeah, be right back when it gets dark. Alright, I'm back. What? I have paws now? Like, seriously, this drink, it has to be something with the drink. Alright, so if you follow this, then you should have paws, that are developing on your hands during this type of day, at this time of day. If you let it last for long enough, paw pads will begin to develop, and you'll become more furry. Like this is just the early stages. This is just early stages. Now, the drink itself, like I said, it's like water, but it's not. Castaways, I like you. I like you as a bar. And, yeah. They say werewolves can only be made through a curse, but you are wrong. They can be made by using a curse or a certain drink. Now, I guess I have nothing to say left other than the fact that I love this fur. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's how to become a werewolf. Keep in mind that this process is very slow, so it might not be fast enough in order for you to notice, but I've noticed it at first when it just hit October. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little Halloween-themed, spooky-themed vlog and how-to. If you want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, furry-related stuff, consider hitting that like button and subscribe button. Tap or click the bell to get notified of all new videos. And this has been Voltage Wolf, and I'll see you in the next session. Goodbye, pack mates!